Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Code Play. Hope you are safe and hope you are doing good. So we will talk about the link queue question, and the link queue provides some functionality over the collection. So we will talk about that. So let's first, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe first. Difference between first or default. So first, this is the method. Return the element of a collection or the first element that satisfy condition. Means collection returns one element if that collection hold one or more than one element. And first element that satisfy the condition means if you are using any conditions over there using lambda express. And second thing is first or default. Return the element of a collection or the first element that satisfy the conditions. Returns a default value if index is out of range. This is the basic difference between both of them. So it's a return a default value if index is out of range, but first is not. So let's have some example we can see here. Okay, so here just I have some example for this. I have a class and I have created a constructor for this. So here is the ilist. That ilist contains the 7, 10, 21, 30, 45, 50 and 87. There are many elements inside this list, that is type of integer. And second is string that contains the null 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And third is the default, means that is empty list. So we have to print here. So let's do something. So here we have to run this thing, like suppose create an object first and first or default. Fd is equals to this, but I don't use this thing because I have not created any method in that. When I will invoke the method, the constructor will invoke and print it out. Okay, so let's run this. So here it's like here the first element is 7, first element in list 10, and first element is str list empty list thrown an exception, invalid operation exception. Okay, so let it understand. First, here I have write the element dot first because this collection contains the element one or more than one element. That time we will print 10 here. But in second things I have used the lambda expression here, some conditions. So I divided by I modulo 2 is equal to 0. So 2, that here is the 10. Okay, second element will be divided. Okay, so what the print is here, 10. Got it? And third is because this condition is true and it select only first, when it get return it will not go next. And third is str dot first, str this dot first. Okay, so here is the null value. So let you understand, here is the null, so it print nothing. Okay, because string, this is the string, so null means nothing, so it print nothing. Okay, first element in str list, here you can see first element in str list is nothing here. Okay, and go to empty dot first. Here the empty dot first thrown an invalid exception because that collection doesn't contains any items. Here you can see count is 0. Okay, so you can see here, this is the throwing the exception, system invalid operation. Okay, so what you understand by the first and first or default? First means that get the first element of an collection, but yes, if I will use first when the collection is empty, that time is throw the exception. Okay, now I will talk about the first or default. So suppose you have a list here. Okay, got it? So I have one element, one collection, two collection, three collection, four collection. Okay, that all collection contains the different things here. So the only element in one element list, one element is single. Okay, sorry, here I have to discuss about the first or default. Okay, let's see, one collection, two collection, and three collection. Okay, that all collection contains the different items. This collection is empty, this is not empty, this is also not empty. Okay, so here I am using first or default. Okay, so let's run this code and see what the output will be generated. Here I have just called this, but I have to, it's because a default constructor here, but yes, I have created one parameterized constructor here, so just pass here first. Okay, so let's run again. Okay, here you can see first element is 7, second element is 10, third is empty, and fourth is also empty. Means here use debugger, okay, and stop this. We can see here also okay, just a bit. Will take a little bit time. You can see. Okay, here the parameterized constructor is calling, and on the point console. Here the 7 elements, but it return only the 7 because first or default I am selecting here. And second thing is I modulo 2 equals to 0 0, means it will select the 10 second time. And third is str list because it contains null means nothing, so it's written here the null value. And after that here we are coming, and this is the count is 0, so it will return also the null. Null means nothing, so you cannot see anything here. Okay, so I hope you understand. First and first are default. Here when I will use the first only, it will throw the exception, because index out invalid operation exception, because that items doesn't contains in the collection. But here if that item, if any item doesn't contains that collection, here the first or default will not be throw an exception. Okay, it will handle the exception. Got my point? Okay, let's move the next topic, that is last or default. So return the last element from a collection, the last element that satisfies the condition, and return the last element from a collection or the last element that satisfies the condition. Returns a default value if no such element exists. Okay, so let's come to the point here, last or default. Okay, just creating another constructor for this, and sorry, copy is not working here, so I have to copy here. And so last or default, those methods work opposite as a first or first default. So in this scenario it will work. You can see how it will work. Let me create the parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. First string last. Okay, so here we are using this, and same thing here we are using. So it will return last element of the collection, and if there is no collection, it will not throw an exception. You can see here. Let me run this, but before this let me comment. Of last by default, last by default last. Okay, so I'm running here this code, and you can see just okay, yeah, you can see here. So last that contains the element here, it throws the exception, and so it throw the exception because in this collection doesn't any element, it does not contains any element, so that's why it throw the exception, invalid operation exception. Okay, because here we are not talking about the index out of bound. There are some confusions if you have, so just clear me. So here we are performing the mathematical operation, means we are just selecting some data over the collection. Okay, because here is the not concept of an array, here the concept of a list. So it work internally like that, but here we are performing some operation over the collection. So that things, because we are using the methods, pre-refined methods, and that methods internally work that. So don't think like it throw the like index out of bound. it throw the invalid operation exception. Okay, so let's move to the next topic, that is last and last or default. Here we have to comment, and now okay, yes sir. Okay, last element in list 87, 55 and empty. So we can see here last element is 87. Okay, and from the last, because it's divided 25 and it's like a return 0 below, so it select the second element here, and last first 5 here, the last element. So it will select the last element here, nothing, this input is, so it will return a null, so it will return nothing, and it will not throw the exception. Okay, okay, move to the next topic, that is single or single default. So single default. So here just run this, and the only element in one list, that is 7, the only element in one list, that is 7, and here is the empty and less than 10 in list. Let's see what's going on here. I have an element that is single means here the 7, so what it will return 7 because single element. And second thing, here there is many items but we have to choose single, so it will select also the single means 7, so here is the 7. Now this is the it contains the null means nothing, so here is the also select the single. Okay, so it will return the null because here the I am using this element, this empty list, that single or default means there is nothing here in single, so it will not throw the exception here, it will return the single, because here is two things, we are talking about the single and single default. So here is the single and here is the single default. So default means it will not throw the exception, and it will single or default it take only one, means default means if nothing then the default value returns. If the items exist inside that list, it will return the single like first element from the collection. And now here the single we are using lambda expression, so here is the I is less than 10, select I is less than 10, so less than is 7 here. Okay, but what the output is 7 because it will select the first element because the condition is less than the 10. Okay, but here is also, if I will write here, I will write the single only from this list, empty list. Okay, we cannot make the change while it's running. Okay, here the single, so here is the empty element, and that empty element what will the return if I will use the single? There is nothing. So let's see. So the sequence contains which type of exception it throwing? It's throwing the sequence contains no element. means invalid operation, and it's return, it's throw the exception because there is nothing here, and we want to fetch the retrieve the data, single data, but there is no data. So the exception is sequence contains no element. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what the difference between single or single default, last or last and last or default, and first or default. So guys, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And here is some definition for single: returns only the element from a collection, or that only element that satisfy a condition. If single found no element or more element one contains, then throw the invalid operation exception. But single except that it returns a default value specified the generic types instead of the throwing an exception. If no element found the specific condition, however, it will throw invalid exception if it found more than one element for the specified condition in the collection. This is the one thing which I have to discuss with you. Okay, so here suppose I have one thing I have missed now. I'm just addressing this. Suppose I have I am using single or default. Here I'm using the 21. Okay, so here is the two elements will select here. So what the exception will, because one time it cannot select the two elements. Let it see, single or default. Okay, let it see. Okay, this. Yes, sequence contains more than one matching element. Means this condition meets that scenario, it return two elements. So single or default means if that particular condition meets it's not condition over the one element. If the return the multiple elements over that condition, so it will throw the exception like sequence contains more than one element. So that's it. This is the things about three methods here, six methods of the LINQ. Hope you are enjoying. Hope you are understand the things. Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel Codeplay. Like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get every updates from our site. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.